Private jet travel is one of the biggest indicators of a luxury lifestyle. However, the benefits of owning a private jet will naturally come at a cost. Hey guys, welcome back to the Luxor. To help understand the true price of flying business, we've broken down how much it actually costs to own a private jet after the initial cost. The initial cost of buying a private jet will vary greatly depending on the aircraft model and make, size, range, and capacity. For example, a light jet such as Embraer Phenom 100, which depending on configuration can sit up to 9 passengers, can be bought for less than $2 million. At the other end of the spectrum, larger and more powerful private jets can reach into hundreds of millions. For example, the super long-range BBJ 777X that can seat up to 75 guests will set you back upwards of $400 million. While the initial purchase fee may seem steep, many owners find that the real cost of owning a private jet comes later on. Now let's see how much it costs every year to own such luxury. Crew. Advanced as they may be, business jets can't yet fly themselves. A private jet owner will need to hire an onboard crew, including a pilot, if they are not qualified to fly themselves. The cost will vary depending on the crew and number of flying hours, but jet owners should anticipate paying anything from $200,000 per year. Maintenance. Regularly flying through the sky at over 500 miles an hour will inevitably leave your business jet open for some wear and tear. General maintenance should be performed regularly, while unexpected repairs should also be budgeted for. The cost will vary depending on the model as well as the nature of the repair, but even seemingly small issues such as a cracked window can cost tens of thousands of dollars. So the average cost per year would be anywhere around $200,000. Fuel. Fuel is one of the biggest expenditures when it comes to the cost of owning a private jet, with jet fuel currently priced at $2.25 to $5.50 per gallon. Although fuel consumption will vary depending on onboard weight and flying speed. Larger planes such as the Gulfstream G700 can burn through 380 gallons an hour, putting your minimum hourly fuel cost at over $850. This means that if you're flying for 300 hours a year, you should expect to pay upwards of $256 in jet fuel. Hangar fees. When you're paying this much for the privilege of owning a jet, it needs to be stored carefully when not in use. Unless you have a space in the garage, you'll have to rent or buy a space in an airport hangar. Depending on the hangar location, renting a private hangar will be around $3,000 per month. But if you plan to park it in a busy and prominent airport like the LAX, for example, you would have to count $12,000 every month. Landing fees. Yes, that is correct. You have to pay a fee every time you make an entry with your beast. That is around $400 to $500 per landing. You can expect to pay up to $30,000 every year. Insurance. The standard insurance fee would set you back around $50,000 every year. Including all other fees and services, the total sum would come up to around $2 million every year. Considering all the extra fees on top of the initial purchase, it costs an impressive amount to own a private jet, with yearly maintenance and operation costs heading into the hundreds of thousands. In order to make the price worth it, a jet owner should anticipate flying at least 100 hours every year over the course of 4 to 5 years. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let us know when do you plan on buying your own first jet. Subscribe to our channel for future content like this.